In this video, I'll show you how to activate more timeframes on MetaTrader 5 Mobile. On MetaTrader 5 Mobile, you can customize the timeframe panel that appears above the chart. MetaQuotes says both the Android and iPhone versions let you open the timeframe setup menu, then add or hide timeframes by using a long press. The mobile app can show up to 9 timeframes in that quick access panel. First, open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone and go to any chart. Tap the chart so the chart toolbar becomes visible, then tap the timeframe panel above the chart. In MetaQuotes' help pages, this is where you can open the option called Setup Timeframes. Next, choose Setup Timeframes. Now you'll see the list of available periods. To activate more of them, long press on the timeframe you want to add. If you only tap it once, MetaTrader will simply switch the chart to that period instead of adding it to the panel. MetaQuotes also notes that newer MT5 mobile versions support 21 total timeframes, but only 9 can be placed in the quick access bar at one time. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.